Diasafe filter machine on the dialysis machine. Firstly, switch the machine on and wait for it to go through its initial test. The Diasafe filters will need to be changed when the maximum life of the filters has been reached, this is 12 weeks, or the filter is defective, it has failed T1 test, or the maximum number of treatments, which is 100, has been reached, or 11 decrease in processes have been carried out. Select the cleaning option. This will show you how many days and treatments are still available until the filters are due to be changed. This can also be viewed when you're in the cleaning menu. If you press the status button at the top of the screen and then press device info. Press the status button to go back to the cleaning menu. To change the filters, press filter change. Select both filters. Press the start button. Filter change and progress appears on the screen. Wait for the message, emptying of filters completed. Change the following filters, both filters. When you get this message, you can now change the filters. Do not press the confirm button yet. Go to the back of the machine. Remove the perspex covers. Note the two lock-in levers on each filter. Lift these two lock-in levers to the horizontal position. This will allow you to release the filter and slide the filter upwards and out of the holder. Dispose of the filters in one of your clinical waste bags. Take a new and open filter from its box. Open the packaging. Remove the filter from its packaging. Keep the label safe. Be very careful, each filter has a little plug at its end. This is protecting the ports. Remove these plugs. If you don't remove these, this will cause problems during treatment. Slide the new filter into the two slots, one at the top and the other at the bottom, and close the catches. Write the date of the filter change on the label and stick that onto the filter. Follow the same procedure for the second filter. Remove it from its packaging again, put the label safe. Remove the plugs from the top and bottom. Insert the new filter in its holder from the top and slide it down. Close both catches. Put the sticker on the filter with a date on it and replace the plastic cover. Ensure that the canister of Tiwtorial and its pipe is free and not obstructed. Back to the front of the machine. At the front of the machine, the message will be displayed, emptying of filters completed. As you have changed both filters, you can now press the confirm button. The machine will now tell you that the filter change is in progress. It will ask you to perform a disinfection. Press the cleaning menu button on the screen. On the cleaning screen, heat disinfection will be highlighted. You can also see that the data about the number of treatments available until the filter change time has been updated. Now press the Start Disinfect button and the disinfect cycle will start. Allow the machine to complete its disinfection cycle. That completes this tutorial.